Welcome back to BRS, Old Bear's Rod Shop in Texas. And the other day we left off, we were cleaning this piece of 48 by 43 sheet of magnesium and got a little time in the shop today. I got it mounted actually on Wednesday with a dear friend, Mr. Pepper, come out and help me mount this and some change up. This is the same panel I was going to do engine turning on. Come to find out after doing a couple of samples, it was going to be too rough to put stickers on with sticky back because then if I sanded it down to get the swirling off, it was absolutely going to make the stickers look distorted. And I hope you can see the wonderful grain that after all the orange juice treatment and a little bit of acid staining and getting rid of the algae that was all around, I went another direction. And I hope you guys may appreciate this. This is a pair of twin 48-inch doors that goes out to the lift, and then of course I get my vehicles in and out. So it's a pretty large panel. And as I mentioned, I'm not going to go up to show you the stickers I've already temporarily put on because we're going to do a little mail calling here. But it just worked out. Things I had around, paints I had here in the shop, and the only thing I had to get was the darker blue for the Gulf of Mexico. But the patina that it left, Texas, New Mexico are wind stripped, I guess you would call it, states. You know, it does get a little bit greener down here around Houston and stuff, and I don't know if you can pick up the sand dunes. I can see them really good in here, but all around the Mexico-Texas line, you can kind of see. I tried to imitate some of the little sand dunes. I didn't want to just go full bore, and try to, make it complicated. Somewhere right in this area, right in here, would have little cactus and palm trees and, of course, mountain ranges. I did not carry the Red River on up through New Mexico all the way into Colorado. Rio Grande, not Red River. We'll get to the Red River in a minute. But went ahead and brought that down and dumping into the Gulf. Now, okay, let's go up here to the Red River, crossing New Mexico, Texas, and then on down across top of Texas, through the corner of Arkansas, into Louisiana, then to the Gulf, right there close to the Mississippi. Not quite. All right, got some wonderful, wonderful stickers, and we're going to go through this here in just a minute. Let's see if we can zoom in. Number one, first one in, March the 28th, Mr. Randy Richards in the shop, and Randy, we're ecstatic. We're going to show all that you sent. Hey, Randy's loaded me with stickers, and I made a comment. I didn't want to put them on my toolbox because one day I might want to sell them. You know what? I think I'm going to put them on there where I can remove them and don't put the sticky. His is already been peeled and stuck permanently right there because it's headed west towards through New Mexico to California. The second one coming in is Tom from the Hilltop Machine Works. Tom, you'll see, and all of the rest of the stickers are just kind of put up there with just a little bit of, tape today. Not final. I don't have any help here, and these are shot, so I want to get them all really pristine. We're going to do this like you would read a normal book, left to right. We'll get all the way across over here. Then we'll start down. We'll come back under Randy Richards and smaller decals. I'm not going to cover up Route 66. Everybody knows and loves Route 66. It's not elaborate. I'm not no artist, but I did my best to get Route 66 going across Texas, Oklahoma, and then up, and it goes into Kansas, and then on to Illinois. And of course, red for the wonderful redneck state of Arkansas. That's no discrimination. Harold, you might appreciate that over there at the ARW. So that's the American Redneck Workshop. We're not going to put any kind of flags or anything there because that would be inappropriate. And then here in Louisiana, where all the great crawdad fishing and boudin and all love to go into Louisiana, especially around those times of year where they have the festivals. But real quick, let's start off left to right. Randy Richards and Tom at the Hilltop Machine Works, and DJ over there at the Fuckenbergers. I never pronounce it right. Foxburgers Fabric Cabin. And then Everett. That sticker I've got also be opening up Everett's. His was the fourth piece of mail coming in day before yesterday. Got some identical stickers, but DJ also included his. Then you got Dylan HFM that come along with DJs, and then the engineers workshop. And then Ralphie's, let me get up here. It's pretty small, but it is, I do not follow his channel yet, but will. Ralphie's Customs. And then just one guy, Metalworks. And then we have, of course, the Garden Tractor Boy. Haven't subscribed to him yet. Thanks to DJ, we will. Now, Jim's workshop, old James, yes, we already subscribed to him, and he give us a nice shout out during Tool Fest, and then also Maddie's workshop. Gonna have to go back. Pretty sure I subscribed to, Maddie's workshop. But as we go, let me sit down a minute before I stumble. We'll just go across. So when you see our sticker board, you'll realize who comes in left to right, and then just all the way down this board. And then, of course, we have another big door here. Same thing. We'll be able to, let's see if we can't zoom this thing out. Here we go. We'll be able to put another sheet here and continue. And I would love to get other stickers. And please, if you would like Bears Rod Shop, BRS, to expose your channel, we would love to. Here's our mailing address at Bears Rod Shop. You don't have to put the taxi, just Bears Rod Shop, 208 County Road 4684, Boyd, B-O-Y-D, Texas, 76023. And we'd love to help to support your channel. And this is Good Friday, here on April the 8th. Everyone is celebrating Good Friday. Just enjoy family and friends, and remember our Lord Jesus, of course. And then the email is Gerald Marcy, the number 01@gmail.com. This is a special day for us. This is our first stickers. And we love and we're honored to display your stickers, and shout out to your channels. And hopefully we can grow as a small shop further and further. And one day we'll pass the 1,000 mark, we hope. All right, let's get over here to the table. We're going to do this one-handed. Again, Randy Richards. And got numerous stickers. And I used the largest one, Randy. Thank you. And this one is real large too. But we're savoring these items. And then, of course, Randy did. Let's see if we can lay this right here. Oops, not holding the camera very good. He's given me 2 of his engravings. Go to that. His channel, and you can see how he made and engraved these. It's absolutely killer. One will go on my keychain for the Dodge truck, and the other for the machinist toolboxes where I lock everything up. Okay, this is the first one in. Then we've got Tom over at Hilltop. I got one sticker for him, and then also nice koozie, excuse me, pronounced it wrong. Tom, I'm not going to get this thing dirty. This is going to go in the house there when I do that honor YouTube honor wall in the hallway, and I'll put that under glass, and then, of course, give me a nice pocket size, for the decimal equivalencies for the taps and drills. Thank you, Tom, and good luck with that brand new Grizzly sheet metal brake. Nice new toy day for you. Then we go to DJ, and of course we've already got DJ up here on his board and the stickers he sent. And DJ, thank you, and thank you for the real kind note to me and Mama Bear. And DJ's over in PA, and I'm gonna go by one day as we go see our friends in Ohio, and we're gonna spend a good day together and have a hoot and maybe cook you up some old good Texas brisket. We'll just bring a brisket with us. And then we've got Everett over in Canada. And Everett's sticker is already on the board, and I've got 3 more. Thank you, Everett. Your shop's looking super. And I know it's a little small. I've got 900 square feet here and 4,000 square feet total with the other storage, but boy, a man sure can accumulate a lot. And I'm like I say, there's Everett up here. He was the last one that come in, so he was number 4 on the mailing list. And this will be how our sticker is going to look in a reduced size of about 1.5 inches by 2, maybe 1/4. The state of Texas with BRS restoration, and it will be a simple sticker. Don't want to take up a lot of massive room, but again, I got to do a final shout out and appreciation to Janet and Lyle Peterson, known as Tubal King, your YouTube shop teacher. Wonderful card to the bride. I'm going to read this front inscription. And Janet really left a really nice condolences to the wife for her cancer that's going on. And I won't read all that, but anyhow, it says 5 things God wants you to remember in trying times. And let's see if I can focus this and look here over the top of the camera. You're never alone. Nothing takes him by surprise. When you're weak, he's strong. He's the God of new beginnings. His love never gives up on us. And that is one touching, nice card. Stays right beside the wife's hospital bed there in the living room. And a big thumbs up. Yes, it's clean. Big thumbs up to Lyle and Janet and all my creators that have sent in these wonderful stickers. And we're going to be closing off. I've got to go in and get her ready for Sunday night, 8 o'clock. She gets admitted to the Baylor Hospital here in Fort Worth. Monday morning, she gets a port put in. Starts probably a year long, 5 days a week, they're telling me, chemo. And then when it's shrunk down from its size right now of a large, Florida grapefruit, which is 9 by 11 centimeters, it's huge. It is on the around the Achilles bone on the outer rim. It is called Sarcoma, Sarcoma Soft Tissue. It's not a pretty cancer, and it could be a lot of orthopedic surgeries go on after this to make her where she's, can still be mobile. We appreciate all and very, very appreciative of all the comments that are pouring in, not only from our YouTube creators, family, Facebook. Please, down there on the address, let me turn it around just a minute. If you feel like you can take 2 minutes and put just a small letter or a card or a well wish to Bears Rod Shop in care of Sammie, Sammie, Marcy, Marcy. Her real name is Sybil, but always call her Sammie. Please send it to that address, and we would love to hear from you. Or send it over to my email, and I will print it out for her at geraldmarcy01@gmail.com. Guys, we hope you like the windswept effect of the sheeting. Yes, it's magnesium, and yes, at about 1,000 degrees, this shop will already be toast. I hope my board don't catch on fire, but we enjoyed building this project, and hope y'all give us a little shout out in comments, from Bears Rod Shop. Help us grow. We're out of here for a good Friday. May God bless.